What is going on, everyone? It's McKinley from RV Talk, and today we're checking out this Class C motorhome. This is the 2025 Eddie Bauer 21EB. This small Class C motorhome sleeps 4 comfortably and is great for couples or small families. Let's check it out. Alright, so we are at the 2025 Florida RV Super Show, and we are taking a look at the 2025 Eddie Bauer 21EB. This Class C motorhome's got a really cool design side because it's Eddie Bauer, but before we tour it, let's take a quick look at the specs. So this small Class C motorhome is only 24 feet 7 inches. You have a total height, including the AC, of 11 feet, and this RV sits on the Chevrolet chassis. Now, they do make it in the Ford, but it is a gasoline motorhome. Before we take a look at the inside, we're going to start on the outside. So up front, as you can see, it is a Chevy chassis. Now, I'm not a fan of the Chevy. I do like the Ford. You've got the Eddie Bauer decal on the front cap, and then you do have extended mirrors, and then this is the floor plan. So you got the bed in the back, bunk up above, and then a dinette. But take a look at this. This right here is a really large exterior storage bay. You do have a bike rack on the back, which is great for maybe some e-bikes or just some regular bikes. You have your Lippert ladder prep, and then your power, and then the rest of your connections along the one side. Heading over to the campsite, you've got a really nice awning that covers pretty much the entire length. I would say it's about 13 feet. And then this is the 21EB. Let's head inside. Alright, so stepping inside of this RV, take a look at this design. I really love the colors of this Eddie Bauer design. Really, really nice in here. But first, let's start up front and check it out. Alright, so up here in the front area, you've got cloth seats, and then you've got pretty much the standard interior cab of the Chevy. So yeah, pretty basic up here. And then up here you've got a pretty large bed. This right here pulls over the top, and then you've got a swivel TV as well as a vent fan up in the ceiling. You got a window on this side. Now, you don't have one on the other side, but it's pretty good. Over here you've got a lot of cabinet space up here. Then you've got a huge window above the dinette. Now, this dinette drops down into a bed, and then you do have some pull-out drawers in the seats of the dinette. Over here, you've got a step up into the back bedroom. You've got pretty large dresser here. Now, that right there is your ladder for the front bed. And then you've got a pull-out drawer down here, as well as a porcelain toilet. And then pretty large medicine cabinet, vent fan in the ceiling, and then you've got a decent sized sink. It's a little bit on the smaller side, but a lot of cabinet space underneath the sink. And then over to the shower. This right here is a pretty good size. Let's see the height. I mean, you know, I'm 6 foot, so it's pushing it, definitely. I am taller than the trim right here, if you can see that. So, I mean, you know, it's all right, but pretty good space for this short of a Class C. And then over here you have a bed. This right here looks to be about probably a queen size bed. You've got large window in the back, window over there, and then cabinet space that wraps around on all sides. Then you got a vent fan above. So that's what, 1, 2, 3, 3 vent fans in this RV. Over to the 12-volt refrigerator, freezer on the top, fridge on the bottom. Decent amount of cabinet space underneath of the fridge. Then you've got some pull-out drawers here in the kitchen. You've got a 2-burner cooktop as well as a smaller size microwave, vent hood. Pretty good size square sink, or doesn't look like quite a square. I don't know, you tell me. And then you've got sprayer faucet as well as a window. And then pretty good sized cabinet up here as well as, check this out, pretty large cabinet up there. And I forgot to mention, the bunk up front does have a curtain that slides across. So that right there is going to do it for the tour of this RV. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and traveling adventures. See you on the road.